Here's your apologetics tip of the day. Don't be confused by the two definitions of science. You see, the first meaning of science defines science as a methodology, like observation, experiments, testing, and discovering facts about the natural world. Now, that definition is totally legitimate. Sometimes, though, someone will slip in a different meaning to the word science by defining it as the philosophy of naturalism, the idea that nature is all there is. Now, that definition is controversial because it allows the person defining it that way to disqualify Christian beliefs as unscientific, since our faith accepts the reality of an immaterial world. So whenever you come across the word science, be aware that they could be smuggling in the definition of naturalism to gain an unfair advantage in their case against your faith. That's your apologetics tip of the day. At Stand to Reason, we help Christians to think clearly so they can share their worldview with others. If you want to see more videos like this one, go ahead and click the subscribe button.